What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Your grooming routine is what makes you and keeps you really handsome. And as we all want to look as attractive as possible, it is key to have the optimal grooming routine. That's why the purpose of today's video is to simply show you some tricks that you can implement into your grooming routine. So you can upgrade your grooming routine to the next level and become your most attractive version. Those grooming tips will not only help you to become more attractive, but will also help you to stay attractive when you get older. So definitely take notes and try to implement those tricks and advices into your grooming routine. But before you're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your most attractive version ever. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start directly with number 1. Switch from only using a deodorant or a cheap eau de toilette to a high quality perfume. This simple step will instantly make you appear more mature and therefore more attractive as well. Especially when you're a teenager, you will stand out from the competition and therefore girls will notice it. I promise you it will have an incredible effect. Let's continue with number 2. No facial hair is better than just growing a few hair on your face. There's definitely nothing wrong about a clean-shaved face. Actually, most male models have a clean-shaved face. And it will look way better than just having a few hairs separated on your face. I mean, don't get me wrong here, if you can grow a beard, you should definitely do it, but only if you really can. So simply don't try to grow a beard when there's just a few hairs that are separately growing on your face. From my own experience, I can say it is way better when you rock a clean-shaved face when you're younger, and as soon as you get older, the chances are way better that you can also grow a full beard. Alright, let's continue with the next one. Having a clean haircut is key. Trust me, especially when you're in your teens, this will make a big difference. Be that guy that always got a clean haircut, and I promise you, girls will love it. So either find a good and affordable barber that you can go to like every 2 weeks, or just learn it by yourself. You just need to buy a trimmer and then learn it step by step with, for example, some YouTube tutorials. The most important part is definitely your sides, so always make sure that your sides are clean. If you start early, you will become better with every time, and on top of that, you will save a lot of money. I also learned it by myself when I was 14 or 15 years old, because I used to go to the barber like every single week. At first it was terrible, I tried it and directly failed because there were also no YouTube tutorials out there. But then I got better and now I can say I also saved a lot of money because of it. I also bought myself a professional scissor that I use to cut my hair on top as well. I can definitely recommend to learn it step by step because it will save you a lot of time and money as well. Let's continue with the next one. Wash your hair less often. Let me tell you one thing, you don't need to wash your hair every time you jump into the shower. Because if you do, the chances are very high that you are harming and destroying your hair. Because your hair and scalp also got natural oils and a protection layer as well. And with every time you're using a shampoo, you will simply attack it. In the end, if you're washing your hair way too often, it can lead to dry hair and even hair loss as well. So instead of washing it every day, just wash it 2 to 3 times per week. And also invest in a high quality and natural shampoo. Please don't use those cheap and chemical products because they will do more bad than good. Let's continue with the next one, using only one towel to dry everything. If you're using the same towel for your body and your face, chances are very high that that is the reason for your impure skin. Trust me, you definitely need to use one towel for your hair and your body and one for your face only. And also make sure that you change it often enough. If you're always using the same towel over and over again, a lot of bacteria will accumulate on it and therefore can cause pimples and impure skin. So if you want to look your best, keep in mind, only use one towel for your face and one for your body. And of course, also make sure to wash it often enough. Let's continue with number 6. Start using an eye cream early. Especially when you work a lot on your laptop or you spend a lot of time on your smartphone. It can lead to dark circles and eye bags. And as your eyes are the #1 spot where people look at, it is very important that you always take care of them. Start using a high quality eye cream even in your 20s so you can prevent wrinkles and also treat dark circles and eye bags as well. It will make a huge difference when you start early and also will save you a lot of money in the long term as well. So see it as an investment that will definitely pay off. And last but not least, number 7, wear sunscreen on a daily basis. Especially when you're living in an area where the sun is mostly shining and very aggressive as well. You really need to protect your skin. Trust me, nothing can destroy your skin more than a consistent exposure to the sun. So invest in a cream that has an SPF factor of at least 30. It will also prevent wrinkles in the long term and will make you stay handsome for a longer period of time. So make sure that you apply sunscreen on a daily basis. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family so I can help you out to become the best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.